What's up, guys? Another video today. And also, I fixed this ceiling fan up here while the electricity was on. I took the whole thing out. I did not cut off the breaker. I kept the electricity on while I was working on the fan. Excuse me. I took the blades. It was 5 blades. This fan had 5 blades, but I made it 4 because I took it down. I unscrewed that. Then the blades. I took down the broken piece of the blade, put it in the trash, and I have 4. But I took down the light fixture, then the blades again, and then I took down the ceiling, the motor mount cover, and then I replaced the motor. Now it should spin faster than it is right now. So when I put everything back together, the lights work, and now we're gonna see if the motor's gonna do the trick. Here we go. It works. But it's still slow though because I haven't did that much work on it. Well, I did get a new motor, but it still needs to be fixed. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.